Hello and welcome. You are probably new here, so I want to thank you for stopping by and choosing to watch my video. I am doing a lot of random Christmas decorating in the house. You saw me start in our guest bathroom, just putting a few little items in there. I like to do kind of a snowman theme without going super overboard. And right now I am just adding some garland to the top of our cabinets. We've had this for a couple of years, and last year we ended up cutting it to go into a different space, and I thought it would be perfect to put up there because you can't tell that it's cut at all. And here I am decorating my youngest son's bedroom tree. His room is a small world theme, so we just have a couple of ornaments, and I finished it off with just some plain colored ornaments for him. I would really like to order some more small world specific ornaments. They are just really hard to find, so if you have any that you've come across, please leave them linked down below for me so I can check them out.
It's Christmas in my heart.
Like I said previously, we are all over in this video. I am now working on our coffee bar area. I am taking everything off of this counter because I really needed to clean back there, so I'm just giving everything a good wipe down, and then I'll put most of the items back, and I will fill the mug rack with all of our Christmas mugs and add a few more festive touches to this area. I actually ended up adding a sign to go like where the backsplash would be on the wall right there, and it just says Merry Christmas, but that's not included in this video.
But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
Now I am working on what I like to call an occasions bin. I do one of these for most holidays, and I just include really fun festive things that we can pull whenever the boys want to have a snack or whatever. Sometimes I'll include actual food in there, but I didn't this time. And now here is Jensen, my oldest son, working on his bedroom tree. Him and his younger brother Holden share a room, but he really wanted to decorate the tree by himself, so I let him. You can see here that he's putting pretty much all of the ornaments in one spot, and I told myself that I would let him do it how he wanted to do it, and I wouldn't move anything or, you know, change it. And I haven't, and I'm really proud of myself because it's taken a lot of control not to quote unquote fix it.
I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and ride around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just
we are with what I like to refer as the bane of my existence, tier trays. If you watched my last Christmas Decorate With Me video, you know that I struggle a lot with tiered trays, and this one is no exception. I thought I had really all of the items that I wanted to use and pretty much enough to pull from, but I did not. So I ended up ordering a couple more things to go here because I just didn't like how it turned out. I used, I think, 3 Santa mugs, and that's just way too many for me. So we need to change that. To finish off this video, I am ending it with the dining room. I just added that Mickey wreath, and it isn't shown, but I added some Disney pillows in our like kind of mud room, not mud room, but kind of like a drop zone area that we have in this room. And I also bought the infamous Mickey snowman light up thing from Lowe's. So he went in here, and I just added a few more Disney touches to our china cabinet. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.
On the fireplace, and no